So Cam, market watch is out. It's an interesting month. What do you see as the most important takeaways from it?
Perfect. Thanks very much, Jeremy. Yeah, it was a great month in April for the Toronto Real Estate Board. Sales were about 9,000 units, which is up about 17% from the same month last year.
Huge.
So yeah, spring has certainly hit in sort of flying colors here in 2019.
Right.
Yeah.
And what do you see in terms of types of properties? I know detached are way up.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, so it's nice. There was strength in all segments of the market. So continued strength in the condo market and all the ground-oriented, including, as you say, detached. So there had been some, weakness, and certainly as you get out of the core and the detached market, more of a balanced buyer's market. And April was strong on all fronts, so it was good from that perspective.
Right.
Yeah.
And detached house prices overall and in the 905 specifically are about flat year over year, which means we kind of got through the last year without any real decrease in sales. It's been pretty flat.
Yes.
So I think heading forward with more sales now, it kind of looks like things are going to pick up throughout the spring and summer. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I think we're into growth now, which is great. If there was any adjustment from the peak of 2017 to now, that's through the system. We're just talking about growth now. So it's a good market for both buyers and sellers. Good market.
Right. And would you say, I think it's a great time for people who have sort of been on the fence. I know the difficulty of timing the bottom of a market is it doesn't look like the bottom of a market. It just looks like there's nothing available.
Yes.
And then that might turn. So if buyers are seeing nothing available, what should our agents tell them?
Yeah, no, I think they need to be in the market now. There certainly is going to be some more supply too. Some sellers will come to the market, bring their listings to the market. Some areas are still pretty tight, but certainly there'll be a flow of new listings coming up. Buyers should be in the market, right? It's good mortgage rates. They've come down a little bit. And always it's important, I think, for everybody to think a seller too is what they're going to buy, right? And there's good opportunities to buy, and that'll help sell and create some inventory, obviously, for the buyers. So
right.
Yeah.
And I think the increase in inventory numbers, that's been a result of really more people selling their houses and the belief that they can get it sold.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
So inventory is going up a little bit. Sales are going up faster.
Yeah.
Big takeaways are if you can move and it makes sense to do it now because this might be the bottom.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And any other advice for our agents, Jeremy?
I think the real key for our agents now is to be out there. There are a lot of overpriced listings, and there are a lot of listings that are coming out on selling on day one.
Yes.
So make sure your listings are priced well, and make sure your buyers are out there and looking, because if you wait and delay a few months, it may not look as good as it does now for a buyer.
Yeah, great advice. Great advice.
Great.
Yeah,
Thanks so much.
Take care.